Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for anyone who's recently relocated to a new country or is planning to do so. How to find a job in a new country after relocating. Moving to a new country is an exciting adventure, but it can also be challenging, especially when it comes to finding a job. Whether you're a skilled professional, a recent graduate, or someone looking for a fresh start, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from researching the job market and networking to tailoring your resume and acing interviews. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Why finding a job in a new country can be challenging. Before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about why finding a job in a new country can be challenging. Here are some of the key reasons. Cultural differences. Every country has its own work culture, norms, and expectations, which can take time to understand. Language barriers. If you're not fluent in the local language, it can be harder to communicate and stand out in the job market. Recognition of qualifications. Your degrees, certifications, or work experience may not be recognized or valued in the same way as in your home country. Networking. Building a professional network from scratch can be daunting, especially if you don't know anyone in the new country. But don't worry, we've got you covered with proven strategies to help you land a job in your new home. Number 1. Research the job market. Starting off our list at number 1 is researching the job market. Before you start applying for jobs, it's crucial to understand the job market in your new country. Here is how to do it. Identify in-demand industries. Research which industries are thriving and have a high demand for workers. For example, tech, healthcare, and engineering are often in demand globally. Understand salary expectations. Look up average salaries for your field to ensure you're not undervaluing yourself. Learn about work culture. Every country has its own work culture, so take the time to understand what's expected in terms of work hours, communication, and professionalism. Websites like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and local job boards can be great resources for researching the job market. Number 2. Tailor your resume and cover letter. Next up at number 2 is tailoring your resume and cover letter. Your resume and cover letter are your first impression, so it's important to make them stand out. Here is how to do it. Follow local standards. Different countries have different resume formats. For example, in the US, resumes are typically one page, while in Europe, CVs can be longer and more detailed. Highlight relevant experience. Focus on the experience and skills that are most relevant to the job you're applying for. Use keywords. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to screen resumes, so make sure to include keywords from the job description. Write a strong cover letter. Your cover letter should explain why you're a great fit for the role and how your skills and experience align with the company's needs. Taking the time to tailor your resume and cover letter can significantly increase your chances of getting noticed. Number 3. Learn the local language. At number 3, we have learning the local language. If you're moving to a country where English isn't the primary language, learning the local language can give you a huge advantage in the job market. Here is how to get started. Take language classes. Enroll in language classes or use language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel. Practice speaking. Practice speaking with locals or join language exchange groups to improve your fluency. Add language skills to your resume, even if you're not fluent. Mentioning your language skills on your resume can show employers that you're making an effort to integrate. Learning the local language not only helps with job hunting, but also makes daily life easier and more enjoyable. Number 4. Network. Coming in at number 4 is networking. Building a professional network is one of the most effective ways to find a job in a new country. Here is how to do it. Attend networking events. Look for industry events, job fairs, and meetups where you can connect with professionals in your field. Join online communities, join LinkedIn groups, Facebook groups, and other online communities related to your industry. Reach out to alumni. If you attended university, reach out to alumni who are working in your new country. They can offer valuable advice and connections. Informational interviews, reach out to professionals in your field. And ask for informational interviews to learn more about the job market and potential opportunities. Networking can open doors to job opportunities that aren't advertised publicly. Number 5. Utilize job search websites and agencies. At number 5, we have utilizing job search websites and agencies. There are many online resources and agencies that can help you find a job in your new country. Here is how to make the most of them. Job search websites. Websites like Indeed, Monster, and LinkedIn are great for finding job listings. Look for local job boards as well. Recruitment agencies. Recruitment agencies specialize in matching candidates with job opportunities. They can also provide valuable advice on tailoring your resume and preparing for interviews. Company websites. Many companies post job openings on their own websites, so it's worth checking the careers pages of companies you're interested in. Using a combination of job search websites and agencies can help you cast a wide net and find the right opportunity. Number 6. Consider temporary or freelance work. Next up at number 6 is considering temporary or freelance work. If you're struggling to find a permanent job, temporary or freelance work can be a great way to gain experience and build your network. Here is how it works. Temporary work. Temporary jobs can help you gain local work experience and make connections that could lead to permanent opportunities. Freelance work. If you have skills in areas like writing, design, or programming, freelancing can be a flexible way to earn income while you search for a full-time job. Benefits. Temporary and freelance work can help you build your resume, gain references, and improve your chances of landing a permanent role. This is a great option for those who want to get their foot in the door and start earning income quickly. Number 7. Get your qualifications recognized. At number 7, we have getting your qualifications recognized. If your degrees or certifications aren't recognized in your new country, it can be harder to find a job. Here is how to address this. Research recognition processes. Look up the process for getting your qualifications recognized in your new country. This may involve submitting documents, taking exams, or completing additional coursework. Consider bridging programs. Some countries offer bridging programs that help immigrants meet local standards for their profession. Highlight transferable skills. Even if your qualifications aren't recognized, you can still highlight transferable skills and experience that are relevant to the job. Getting your qualifications recognized can open up more job opportunities and increase your earning potential. Number 8. Prepare for interviews. Coming in at number 8 is preparing for interviews. Once you start getting interview invitations, it's important to be well prepared. Here is how to do it. Research company. Learn about the company's mission, values, and recent news so you can tailor your answers to their needs. Practice common questions. Practice answering common interview questions, such as tell me about yourself and why do you want to work here? Understand cultural norms. Different countries have different interview norms. For example, in some cultures, it's important to be formal and punctual, while in others, a more relaxed approach is preferred. Ask questions. Prepare thoughtful questions to ask the interviewer, such as what are the biggest challenges facing the team? Or what does success look like in this role? Being well prepared for interviews can help you make a great impression and increase your chances of getting the job. Number 9. Be open to entry-level positions. At number 9, we have being open to entry-level positions. If you're struggling to find a job at your previous level, consider applying for entry-level positions. Here is why it's worth considering. Gain local experience. entry-level positions can help you gain local work experience and build your resume. Opportunities for growth. Many companies promote from within, so an entry-level position could lead to more senior roles in the future. Build your network. Working in an entry-level position can help you build relationships with colleagues and supervisors who can vouch for you in the future. Being open to entry-level positions can be a stepping stone to bigger opportunities. Number 10. Stay positive and persistent. And finally, at number 10, we have staying positive and persistent. Finding a job in a new country can be a long and challenging process, but it's important to stay positive and keep going. Here is how to stay motivated. Set realistic goals. Break down your job search into smaller, manageable goals, such as applying to a certain number of jobs each week. Celebrate small wins. Celebrate every small victory, whether it's getting an interview or receiving positive feedback. Seek support. Lean on friends, family, or support groups for encouragement and advice. Keep learning. Use this time to learn new skills, take online courses, or volunteer to keep your resume fresh and your spirits high. Remember, persistence pays off, and the right opportunity is out there waiting for you. And there you have it, top 10 strategies to find a job in a new country after relocating. Whether you're researching the job market, networking, or preparing for interviews, these tips will help you navigate the job search process and land the job of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which strategy you're considering or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.